I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix creatine with juice. First, understand that creatine monohydrate is a widely used supplement known for supporting muscle growth and athletic performance. When you mix it with juice, you can improve its absorption into your body, thanks to the simple carbohydrates in the juice. This method also makes the creatine more palatable, masking its sometimes gritty texture. Aim for a standard daily dose, usually around 3 to 5 grams, for optimal results. Selecting the right juice is crucial for effective creatine mixing. Opt for juices rich in simple carbohydrates, such as grape juice or apple juice, as these help spike insulin levels, which can drive creatine into your muscles more efficiently. It's best to avoid highly acidic juices like orange or grapefruit, as their acidity might degrade the creatine, making it less effective. Always check the label to ensure your juice has no unnecessary added sugars. For optimal mixing, add your creatine powder to about 8 to 12 ounces of your chosen juice. Stir vigorously with a spoon or use a shaker bottle to ensure the powder fully dissolves and there are no clumps. It's important to consume the mixture immediately after preparing it, as creatine can degrade over time when dissolved in liquid. Many find taking creatine post-workout beneficial, as muscles are more receptive to nutrient uptake then. Mixing creatine with juice offers several advantages, primarily boosting your strength, power, and overall muscle endurance during workouts. This method also helps ensure you're getting your daily dose consistently. Remember, staying well hydrated is crucial when supplementing with creatine, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. For more great tips and to check out those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look for the link and other deals in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.